Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making some abrasive paste for wood turning. This is going to be what you're going to use to do your final polishes on your wood turning things. And this is going to be similar to some of the more expensive items that you can buy, like Yorkshire grit. I've made 3 different grits of this. I've got a coarse, medium, and fine. Also a final polishing paste. I'm going to show you how I get those things kind of made and give you the ingredients and the ratios in the description. So stick around, watch how I do it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching. Hey, okay, so what we have in front of us right here is the ingredients to make a 3-stage polishing paste for wood turning. So it's all going to have the same wax mineral oil base, but I'm going to change out the abrasive depending on which one. I'm going to have the first stage, which is going to be a cutting paste. It's going to be a 4F pumice. That's this right here. The next stage is going to be this food grade diatomaceous earth. And then the final stage, I've got 12,000 grit aluminum oxide powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off doing the base with a mix of beeswax, microcrystalline wax, and Carnauba wax with mineral oil. Get that made up, all kind of incorporated together, and mix in the pumice for the first stage. And then obviously the second stage would be the diatomaceous earth. And then the last stage would be the aluminum oxide. I'm going to use a double boiler method. I'm going to do the cheap way, which is have a pot, put some water in there, and I'm going to create a base inside with these rings, and then I'm going to set the mason jar on top of those inside the water. So the water is actually going to heat this and not the heat from the stove. Then I'm going to add the ingredients by weight to the mason jar. Once those get incorporated, I'm going to stir in the amounts of abrasives that I need for that. And then I'm going to use these aluminum little tins here to put the abrasive paste in. So this, as I mentioned, is going to be a 3-stage process. So it's going to have the cutting paste, which is going to use the 4F pumice, the fine polish, which is going to be the food grade DE, and the final gloss polish, which is the 12,000 grit aluminum oxide. So let me get set up and we will get to mixing this up. Okay, as I get set up here, I'm just going to get my scale set to grams, and I'm measuring everything by weight. I'm going to put my mineral oil on my 3 different waxes in Beeswax, Carnauba Wax, and Microcrystalline Wax. Okay, now that we've got all the waxes and oil into the jar, got these onto our double boiler setup, and I'm stirring this on occasion as we go through. This is sped up about 25 times. So I get this all kind of homogeneous. What you're looking for is a completely translucence going through. Now I go through and I add my abrasive powders. And when you mix these up, you kind of want to continue to stir these as your liquid is cooling down, because otherwise it could settle, and some batches may be more or less abrasive than others. So you kind of want to keep stirring this until it does cool down a little bit. And this is the last batch. This is the aluminum oxide powder. It's 12,000 grit. I'm going to go ahead and get these into here. Okay, you'll notice that the different grits have different colors. This right here is the coarse grit. This is using the 4F Pumice. This here is the next grit up. This is the diatomaceous earth. And the one you just saw me pour, again, is the 12,000 grit aluminum oxide. So basically, you'll sand up to about 400 grit, use this coarse paste, then use this medium paste and the ultra fine polish at the end to get the wood off the lathe pretty much crystal shine. So hoping this works great, and we'll see here in a few minutes. Okay, now that we've got our paste complete, I'm going to go ahead and start getting this onto the wood. So the first one I'm using here is the coarse, and what I do is I kind of grab a bit on a paper towel, just rub it around and get it all over the bowl, and then kind of polish that in as the lathe comes up to speed. Once I get each of these grits onto this, I'm going to kind of wipe off with a clean side of a paper towel to clear that previous grit off so the next one can do its work. And here's the medium paste going on. And once we finish with the medium paste, I'm going to switch over to the fine paste, and that's going to give us our final polish before we put the wax and mineral oil finish onto it. The last bit is actually just a beeswax and mineral oil mixture. I made this as a board oil for cutting boards, so this will go on as the final kind of polish and the final finish on here. So that last grit for the fine was 12,000 grit equivalents. So this is a very smooth outside right now. Let's get it final polished up. Okay, as we wrap this up, this is a silky smooth finish, and it's much cheaper than those commercial brands. So if you want to save money and get results like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below letting me know what you think.